folks, welcome to a very spooky edition to Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. And happy Halloween to those who celebrate. Pour yourself a pumpkin beer, grab a Stephen King novel, watch a scary movie. It's a great time of year. I'm actually recording this in August. Don't tell anybody. It's the dead of summer, but I wanted to have this ready for October. So it should be October now. The fall should be here. The leaves should have fallen. The cooler air should be here. And what better than Zombie Zoo by Tom Petty? I've always wanted to cover this one, so hopefully you enjoyed the cover of this. I just recorded that before I recorded this lesson. This is a fun song. I know Tom was not big on this song. I guess he didn't even want it on Full Moon Fever. But you know, a bad Tom Petty song is still a great song, and I really enjoy it. And it's a cool, kind of funky song, right? So Zombie Zoo, let's get into this. Now, I've played everything on electric guitars on my cover version. I'm just going to do a standard Judge Timbers acoustic lesson for this. Of course, you could translate all these chords onto electric guitar, which is the way I played it on the cover. I don't have any capo on this. The guitar's in standard tuning. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to start the little introduction. I mean, there's a lot of funky keyboard sounds, spooky sounds going on. But basically, I'm hearing an A minor to an F7. To an F7, however you want to play your F7. So you could play a bard, which is how I think I played it. A minor, F7, right? 3 times, I think. A minor, F7. And then you start the verses, which are an A. I'm just going to give you the chords, and I'll kind of show you how I play it. A to an E to a B minor, playing that bard on the 2nd fret, back to E, back to A, back to E, back to B minor, to D. So that's kind of the first part. So I'm going to play it, little rock and roll, right? B minor, back to E, A, back to E, B minor, now to D. Now the next part, dancing at the Zombie Zoo, we're going to go up to E, dancing at the F sharp minor, to a D, and back to E, F sharp minor, to an A. And now painted in the corner, E, F sharp minor, to D, back to E, dancing at the Zombie Zoo, A, and then sus4, right? So that part, so it's going to be on, I'm going to play bard, dancing at the Zombie Zoo, dancing at the Zombie Zoo, painted in a corner, and all you want to do, dancing at the Zombie Zoo. So again, however you want to voice that you can strum it, you can play it palm muted like I'm doing, whatever you want to do. Then the next verse is back to that A, to an E, B minor, nothing's changed, back to E, back to A, to E, B minor, now D, shiver for your hair, E, F sharp minor to D, E, F sharp minor to A, E, F sharp minor to D. Wanna do is E, dance at Zombie A, and then A sus4 A. She disappears at sunrise, I wonder where she goes into the night. So that's an E, she disappears at sunrise, I wonder where she goes until the F sharp minor. Back to comes falling down again, E. You show up with your friends, half a F sharp minor, alive. Then you add the D, alive, and then you're back to E. Dancing at the Zombie Zoo, dancing at the Zombie Zoo. All right, so that same thing, E, dancing at the F sharp minor, Zoo, D, and then the E, dancing at the F sharp minor to an A, sus4, and then you just play an E, really a low E note or a low E chord, and it kind of holds it. And then you're back to the A. Well, you can make a big impression or go through life unseen. You might wind up restricted and over 17. So hard to be careful, it's so easy to be led. Somewhere behind the pavement, you'll find the living dead. Dancing at the Zombie Zoo, dancing at the Zombie Zoo, painted in a corner, and all she wants to do is dance down at the zombie zoo. So that's all the same, and then she disappears again, E. And she goes into the F sharp minor, da 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 da, back to E. She comes falling down again. She shows up with her friends, half a F sharp minor to a D, and now the out, last part, back to E. Dancing at the zombie zoo. To an E, F sharp minor, A. E, F sharp minor, D. Here we go, outro. E, dancing at the zombie, A, sus4. Dance, E, zombie zoo, A, sus4. Yeah, get down at the zombie zoo. That's it, folks. That is Zombie Zoo, or Judge Timber's arrangement for that. You can play along to the record Full Moon Fever, which, by the way, Full Moon Fever has a little Halloween werewolf connotation, doesn't it? So it's a great, I think, Halloween song. I know it's about other things, but hopefully you're all enjoying yourselves. Have a very safe and fun Halloween. I will see you all, folks, next time, whenever that may be. Take care.